Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show a step-by-step tutorial on how to enable chat notifications on Mega account. So first we're going to go to the Mega app. As I told you, you guys can find it in the App Store or Play Store. Then next you're going to click on Menu. Then once you're here, you're going to click on Settings. Then you're going to click on Chat. Then as you can see, the chat notifications is turned off. So you're going to turn it on. So when you turn it on, you're going to receive notifications when messages are popping in. So that's how you basically do it. It's an easy tutorial. We also have different videos in our how to tutorial playlists. Make sure to check them out as we've been posting daily. I hope you guys like this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.